Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, where today technology meets simplicity. So today I have got something super excited for all. We are unboxing and reviewing this Dell Inspiron 3511, a stylish and budget-friendly laptop powered by the Intel Core i5-1135G7. If you are a student, office user, or someone looking for a smooth everyday performer, so stay tuned. This video is going to help you a lot. First, start with the unboxing, guys. So here's our box. Wow guys, it comes with nice packaging. So here's our brand new Dell laptop, and here we get a charging power cord. Here's the adapter. So first we have this laptop itself, so it's wrapped nicely inside protective foam. And next we have got here 65 watts of power adapter and a power cord. Here is the user manual, paperwork, documentation. Yes, that's it. And here is the Dell Inspiron 3511 laptop. Simple, clean and classic design. Here you can see the Dell logo. So let's power on this. So first of all guys, talking about the build quality, it comes with sleek black finish with professional looking. Here you can see the body is full made up of plastic, high quality plastic, made it still feel sturdy and premium in the hands. So first of all we will charge this laptop. Yes, it is powered on now. So yes, the keyboard is powered on now. So first off, the laptop weighs around 1.8 kg, not too heavy, easy to carry guys. Yes, but it is a full size laptop. You get a full size keyboard with a numeric keypad, which is great for students and office users. And the hinge feels smooth guys. The lid can be opened with one hand. And about the display, it has on the front we have 15.6-inch full HD display with 1920 to 1080 pixel resolution. So it's an anti-glare panel, so perfect for long work sessions and online classes. So secondly guys, about the specification overview. So this is the Dell laptop. So model name is Inspiron 153511. About the processor, it comes with 11th generation Intel Core i5-1135G7 at 2.4 GHz with 4 cores with a resolution of 1920 to 1080 pixel. So that is best with the 8 GB of RAM. And here in this laptop guys, no pen or touch input is available for this display. Yes, it's a fully professional daily use laptop. About the storage, it comes with 512 SSD internal storage with integrated graphics. Yes, and the screen size of 15.6 FHD display, smooth for casual editing, light gaming and graphic tasks. The graphics is integrated Intel, so smooth for casual editing, light gaming and graphics tasks. And operating system is Windows 11 Home, usually preloaded. And battery life up to 6 to 7 hours depending on usage ports. Now let's jump into the ports and connectivity. So first of all, here's our laptops. On the first side, here we get a power port and one HDMI port and 2 USB ports. And on the other side, here we get one SSD card reader and another USB port. And here's the audio 3.5mm audio jack. And on the back, nothing. There is no VGA port and all, and no LAN port. And guys, about the keys, now let's test it out. Yes, very smooth keys guys, nice keypad. Yes, very quick, it is responding. The touchpad also very nice. Here you can see the cursor is moving very fast, so the resolution is very high. Here you can see. Yes, nice. Touchpad also guys, very responsive. For about its features and performance guys, it is powered by Intel Core i5-113 multitasking guys. The 512 GB SSD makes everything super quick from Windows boot time to opening heavy apps. The integrated Iris Xe graphics can handle light games like Valorant or CSGO at medium settings. Now guys, let's check its audio and video quality. Still carrying 3 different cables, so stop. This is Obon's all-rounder WR668 a 3-in-1 100 watts cable with Velcro. Yes guys, so today I will unbox it, test charging and tell you if it replaces every cable in your bag. So let's jump in. So hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So if you are new to our channel, please hit subscribe to TechnoWaves. So now let's unbox it first. Yes guys, speakers are very excellent for indoor use, perfect for movies or Zoom meetings, and brightness also very nice. And guys, about battery, in the real world usage, expect around 5 to 6 hours with moderate multitasking. So because I have unboxed now only, so I will make a review video on this. According to Dell, this laptops can expect around 5 to 6 hours with moderate multitasking. Dell's power management also helps in improving battery life. So guys, about it pros: smooth performance with i5 1135G7, fast 500 to 12GB SSD, large 15 to 6-inch Full HD display, perfect for students and office use, expandable RAM. And about it cons, there is no backlit keyboard, webcam is basic, not for heavy gaming. Overall, this Dell Inspiron is a solid laptop for everyday users. If you want a reliable and smooth machine for study, office work, entertainment or multitasking, this one definitely gets a thumbs up from me. That's all the today's unboxing and review of the Dell Inspiron 3511 on TechnoWaves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more best unboxing and review videos. Thanks for watching.